Hi, I am K. Sadish Kumar, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering at Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. In this video, we are going to see about the gears, nomenclature of gears, types of gears, and the applications of various gear trains. First of all, what is gear? Gears are used to transmit power from one place to another, or one axis to another axis. It may be a parallel, perpendicular, or it may be some may be in somewhat in an angled manner. If the gear is not having tail, it will be looked like a wheel. This wheel is called as, for example, it's a friction wheel. The friction wheel will also transmit power from, for example, this one is called as driving and this one is called as driven wheels. It can also transmit power, but it may transmit low power transmission efficiency. Lot of power will be lost by slip. So we are providing teeth to transfer the same power from one place to another. Because of having more number of teeth, we can have very good contact and we can transfer the power from one place to another with better efficiency. So this is called as gears. The gears, someone is called as driver which receives the power, and someone is called as follower. Follower means driven wheels. The driver rotates and driven is rotated by the driver. These gears are externally contact, so the clockwise of rotation of clockwise will be in opposite manner. Advantages and disadvantages of gear train. The gear train has maximum power transmission efficiency, that is velocity ratio, and it can transmit more number of power compared with all other transmission devices, belt drive, chain drive, etc. High efficiency is possible by using this gear train. Highly reliable compared with this previous one, and it can have a minimum number of compact layout is enough. It is not more number of space is not needed like belt drive. Though it has some advantages, it also has a minimum number of disadvantages, because that first one is manufacturing of gears is very much complicated, and if the error is placed in the cutting of gear teeth, it will also affect the entire performance of gearbox. The gears are classified into main three types depending upon the types of contact teeth between the matching gears. The first one is called as external gear. External gear is used to transmit power. The first one is driving and the one is driven. The rotation is opposite with the driving. This rotation in anti-clockwise direction, this rotation will be in clockwise direction. This is called as external gearing. The second one is internal gearing. Internal gear is used to where the input and the output shaft or output members should rotate in a single direction. And in that condition, internal gearing are used. The last one is called as rack and pinion. Pinion means smaller number, small gear is smaller in size. Where rack means the gear teeth are placed in a shaft. This one is called as rack and another one is called as pinion. We are having rack and pinion in our in our car, in the steering system, rack and pinion steering system. So this figure shows the types of gears. First one is worm gear used in steering gearbox. Helical gear where the teeth are cut in angled manner, and the double helical gear means that the first teeth are in contact in a double inclined position. Spiral bevel gear, one is placed in the face. The bevel gear means teeth is formed in the face, where in this gear the teeth is formed in the circumference, but here the teeth is formed in the face. This one is called as bevel gear. The teeth is cut in straight manner, that is why it is called as spiral bevel gear. Miter gear, if both the gears are in same size, then it is called as miter gear. Straight bevel gear, actually spiral gear have an inclined tail, straight bevel gear has a straight tail. Internal gear, we have seen the spur gear having straight tail and rack and pinion. There are various nomenclatures are involved in the gears: addendum, dedendum, pitch angle. So like this. So in this diagram, some more we are concluded in the diagram. First one line is pitch circle. The pitch circle separates the whole gear part into two types. First one, which are above the pitch circle, is called as addendum, and below portion is called as dedendum. Then face width. Then addendum circle, if we draw a circle in the addendum line, this is called as addendum circle. Similarly, we are having dedendum circle. The tooth thickness is the size of tooth is called measured in the pitch circle. The thickness is called as tooth thickness. The space between the one teeth of each to the another tooth is called as circular pitch. Space between teeth is called as tooth space. And we are having some clear portion also. Clearance means if we are having external ear, it matches until this part. The below portion will be have any contact. This portion is called as clearance. The clearance is used to have some lubrication while in the applying areas. So these are we have seen pitch circle diameter, pitch point, and pressure angle. Pressure angle means the angle between the common normal to the gear teeth. That is common normal. This is called as common normal for both the gear wheel and the point of and the common tangent at the pitch point. Pitch point is here and the common tangent is this one. So this angle is called as pressure angle. Common normal to the both the gear and the common tangent at the pitch point. That is angle is called as pressure angle. Addendum, dedendum circle, we are all have seen that. And circular pitch. Circular pitch is the distance measured on the circumference of the gear wheel at the pitch circle from point of one tooth to the corresponding point at the some other tooth. It can be found out by F into D divided by T. D is the diameter of the pitch circle and T is the total number of gear teeth. And diameter pitch is the ratio of number of teeth to the diameter of pitch circle is called as diameter pitch. And the module is the reciprocal of diameter pitch. It can be said that M is equal to D divided by D. Or the pitch circle diameter to the total number of gear teeth. Actually, the gear is selected by choosing a module. Different gears have different module. Clearance I will set about it, and total depth means the from top of the addendum to the touch part below part of the portion is called as total depth. Working depth, total depth minus clearance is called as working depth. Tooth thickness, tooth space, back space, face of tooth, blank of tooth. These are all we have seen in the previous slides. And last, gear materials. We are using gear to materials. Gear materials. We are using cast iron steel brands to manufacture metallic gears, which are using in the automobile industry or machineries. And some non-metallic gears also can be used in wood, plastic, and compressed resins. Plastic gears are also used in the toys, etc. Okay. So I hope you have seen, you have learned about gears and gear nomenclature very well. Okay, thank you.